How did Pritchard start? Salvage Hunters presenter Drew Pritchard started out very young. When Drew left school at 16, he took an apprenticeship with a stained glass restorer and then began working with glass trading from a business located in his dad's garage. He got his big break when he came across some William Morris stained glass windows. How do I contact Drew Pritchard? If you require further clarification or would like to make a purchase, please call my office on 01492 580890 or use the sales inquiry link on the stock item and one of my team will come back to you. What breed of dog is Enzo on Salvage Hunters? Jack Russell Terrier. Enzo, July 1995 to June 23, 2010, was a Jack Russell Terrier canine actor who portrayed Eddie Crane on the American television sitcom Frasier. Has Drew Pritchard still got his warehouse? Salvage Hunters star Drew Pritchard sells his Conway base. Salvage Hunters star Drew Pritchard has sold his Conway warehouse and is moving part of his business to Gloucestershire. Is Drew Pritchard married? As per some wiki sites, Drew Pritchard's extramarital affair is said to be the reason behind their divorce. He is said to have an affair with a married woman and with her husband named Janice Thomas was felt goaded by Pritchard. This made Pritchard banned from the town's pub and was also fined £1,440. How rich is Drew Pritchard? Drew Pritchard has an estimated net worth of $8 million United States dollars. He has been active in the antique dealing profession for more than 2 decades. He has also made a great fortune from his business and shop. The star of Salvage Hunters has been receiving a handsome figure of salary. What type of hat does Drew Pritchard wear? Drew started wearing flat caps when he lost all of his hair by the age of 29. The TV star and antiques ace, whose latest Salvage Hunters series is being shown on Quest, wore the same tweed hat for 18 years, until someone snatched it in a Cardiff bar. Why is T not in Salvage Hunters anymore? The star of TV show Salvage Hunters has been banned from every pub in his hometown following an alleged brawl, it has been reported. Antiques dealer Drew Pritchard has been placed on pub watch, meaning he is effectively banned from every pub. Why was Drew Pritchard banned from driving? A TV star has been banned from entering every pub in his North Wales hometown following an alleged assault. Salvage Hunters Drew Pritchard has since been placed on pub watch in Conway, meaning he is effectively barred from every boozer in the town. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for more of these videos.